Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing new that I haven't played yet with you guys. I am playing Breakout with someone else. It's just they're getting money. They're being greedy. Actually, I know what they want. They're trying to get a certain thing. Do this for $200 into one. When you do that, you can do only in cash. Shop for new playing with the wrong cash. Buying this will give you $1 every 10 seconds without selling any gems. Yeah, that's what he's saving up. If there used to be a glitch that would get a lot of money, that me and him did, but it was really bad. Phoebe! Yeah. George too! Got George too! Where is this guy? Huh! Okay. Bye, white guy. What? Did you also just hear him?
Yay.
What?
I now have enough for one more credit.
Come on. Get down here. The video's already on, by the way. There he is! Oh, it's the sniper!
Well, I'm gonna go get my credit.
And then you can't get the only in cash yet. Or can you?
18 credits, yay!
How much? I don't even know how much credits you have to buy. I forgot. I think you can check. Pretty sure you need like 25.
Since I'm trying to get rolling in cash and I play this game like basically every day for like an hour, I'm about to be rolling in cash like it says.
Guys, he plays this game way too much.
I know.
And I have to join him because he doesn't play anything else. I also saw that posted that video from yesterday.
What?
Whee! Let's go!
Oh.
Whoa, but...
Maybe we shouldn't go. We should juke him out.
Whoa!
Get juked, get juked, get juked. Ah.
Get juked, ah!
Get juked.
He wasn't here. Oh look, there's absolutely nothing. Yeah, I have to see something under there. Oh, there's a bunch of crystals. Oh, look, there's a diamond over here.
Bro, did you not grab that?
No. I don't know how. Oh, it probably just pushes you out when you try to.
And why are there so many gems right there?
I don't know. Oh, I forgot we got a lot of gold mines over here.
And I forgot that I had to rejoin, so now I have nothing.
Oh my. Well, you'll see in my videos. I love how, like, in every single video, we're just talking to each other and not to the fans.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the entire point of the video. I mean, it'd be all about... Listen, we're just making this playing. Maybe when I play solo, I'll talk to y'all.
But actually talking to you guys for a second.
Oh my god!
I feel like you guys chase your dreams.
Talk to us IRL?
Say chase your dreams.
I'm not famous, little bro. I'm not famous, but I still love what I do. Amazing
But still,
quote.
guys, you gotta chase your dreams.
My dreams is the seller machine.
My dream is to actually make a channel and become successful.
His parents won't let him know.
Not yet.
1 like equals 1 yes from his family. Also, he has a brain. He has
here.
Oh, look, there's a diamond right here. Oh!
There's a little hamster.
Wow! Oh,
I know where some gems are. I know where some gems are.
Never say her name ever again. Oh,
First
look.
of all, there's a diamond right there.
Oh my god! No, because I just ran like behind bro. Like I was like running behind bro. Like he didn't even care about me, and I jumped one more and then I landed in him. Like if you watch my video, you'll see that. And slam dunk! Really cool. Where are you?
5 feet close. I'm gonna.
Oh!
Did you die too?
The white monker.
Oh, you died to watch her?
Yes. Cause he appeared out of nowhere. I was trying to look at him and then I was shocked that I tried to run away. But he said, "Oh no, homie, you messed up my day. You messed up." Cause there was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like a bully. I walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie, right?" I said, "You could be right, but me, I'm not the looking type." So I walked away and then he said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, Sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with it. He's like, "All up in my face." And then I lost my patience, so I spent around and was about to on my ray gun. No, you. Oh, I have to die. Whoa! This is how the story goes. How'd you die? Shut up!
No!
Then face the wrath of corrupted me, huh? Or soon to be corrupted no. Soon to be corrupted VR.
Yeah, I really hope you do change your name to that.
What, corrupted VR? Oh no! You're back!
Bro looked around the corner like,
what do you think I should change my username to? Corrupted VR or Corrupted Me 2004? No, Corrupted Thunder. Sorry.
I think you should be Thunder VR.
I don't think I should. That's like an awful name. Which is why I changed it to Corrupted Me. Slap in the face. Because Ghost is bully, right?
Dude. There's one, oh, also purple gem over there. Up there.
I don't care.
You don't care. BB, hi. I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. I'm going back. Oh, hi.
The funniest cutoffs in history. Me just now. Like I was like, I don't care. Like if you don't care, then I what? And I was like, huh? No. He died.
Funniest cutoff. Shut up.
I can hear you, huh? Look, bro, huh? Oh, by the way, you know how you know Yarnaby's dead now? No. No, like, there was theories about her being alive, about the, Yarnaby being alive, because all she did is just fall down and burn, which she could have landed in water. But then in the new update, they confirmed her death because instead of the rope catching her on fire, there's a cutscene of her about to catch you on the rope, but then lands on the rope after you get free of the rope. And then it doesn't burn her, it breaks, and then she falls into a pit of lava. Whoa, little bruh. Is not all the rest of that is only real ones know the Mountain Dew incident of 2020.
I got a purple.
He's the real one because I'm the first one that I told. He's the first one that I told.
Hey, you want to know something?
What?
So you know that little area that we couldn't get into with the gems?
What area?
I got one of them.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Did the thing open entirely, or you just got one? And what's the
No idea what you just said.
Cause you're gay. Hey, don't even blame it on my mic. Because I'm holding on to my controllers.
Got one.
Hold on, wait for me. What's the technique?
I don't know, just stick your arm in and hope.
No. Maybe? No.
Okay, I got both. I got like all of them. Yeah, there's only 3.
There's only 3?
Yeah.
No, there's way more.
Oh yeah, there's more than 3. Never mind, I thought there was only 3. But they have 2.
It's birthday, T-Bug. You can't do it. Yeah, I give up. Anyways, he doesn't want to be in the outro, so we'll play for a little bit. I'm not going to play for like 10 hours like we did in the update. Gorilla Tag update. But anyways, he will not be in it. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Remember, follow your dreams.